Hey guys, and welcome back to another video from us here at Phoenix Gold. And today what we're going to be looking at is our brand new Z4CXI coaxial speaker in our Z series range. Now these are an upgraded model of the previous version of the Z series speakers, and what we're going to do today is have a look what comes in the box and what's new about the speaker. So if we look at the box itself, we have a new styling and new design. Each of the series within the range has its own colorway to enable you to define between what series is which we have the copper color on the Z series. So if we turn over the box, we can see we have all our mounting dimensions on the box itself. So if you need any of the technical specification, that is mounted on the box. You can see also that we have 120 watts maximum power and 30 watts RMS. They come as a pair, and let's unbox them and have a look what we get. So first thing we have in the box, of course, is the manual. Now this manual is for all the speakers within the Z series coaxial range. So internally we have all the specification of all the different models. We have an installation guide. We have some drawings again to show you how to install the speaker, and we have that across multiple different languages. So let's take a speaker out of the box and see what we get. So as we said, these come as a pair of coaxial speakers. So let's have a look at the speaker itself and what we get. So what we have is a 4-inch speaker and a grill. And what do we get with it? So we get some adhesive, sticky adhesive, which helps to adhere the grill into the gasket. Get a pair of those. We also get all the mounting hardware here for the speaker. So that's again for a pair of speakers. So you get the screws and the clamps. Then we have our gasket and grill. So this is a rear mount gasket. So the speaker sits through the gasket. Then the grill mounts inside that. So that gives you the grill if it's required, or obviously if it's an OEM installation, you won't need to use the grill. So let's look at the speaker itself. So this is the brand new Z series 4-inch coaxial speaker. So we have a new polypropylene or PP cone design, which you can see here is a brushed metal effect. So with it being PP, it gives a nice warmth to the sound, a bit more bass than you would from something such as a paper cone or an aluminium cone. We then have a butyl rubber surround, very, very hard wearing, and again, good for the lower frequencies. We have a low profile stamped steel basket, really good tensile strength on there. And you can see we have a nice motor structure as part of that also. We then have a 25mm overall sized tweeter, which is full of ferrofluid. So again, that is there for cooling of the voice coil to allow the tweeter to play louder without any worries of damage to that. And then you can see just there we have a capacitor on board. Now that capacitor limits the lower frequencies that the tweeter plays, so we can play full range from the speaker with no worry about damage to the tweeter. So that there is the Z4CXI brand new 4-inch coaxial speaker from Phoenix Gold, unboxed.